A set of foam earplugs is often the simplest and easiest way to protect your hearing. However, they aren't exactly what you'd call high-tech pieces of equipment. They work, but only if you wear them correctly, and that's what we're going to talk about today. The average foam earplug is designed to have a noise reduction rating of about 29 decibels. But if the earplug isn't used correctly, the actual noise reduction can be as low as 2 decibels. What that means is, when you're using earplugs incorrectly, the only thing they're doing is increasing your risk of an ear infection. The earplug's job is to reduce the amount of sound that reaches your inner ear. They do this by expanding to fit the ear canal and creating a seal. This blocks sound waves, making them unable to travel through the ear canal at their full volume. To work right, these little foam earplugs have to fit the curve of your ear canal to effectively dampen the noise. To make sure that you're getting the most out of your earplugs, follow these steps. Gently roll the earplug between your fingers into a thin tube shape, taking care not to crease the foam, which can actually create a tunnel for sound to enter. Pull the top of your ear up and back with your opposite hand to straighten your ear canal and make it easier to insert the earplug. Continue to roll the earplug and gently slide it into your ear canal. Then hold the earplug in place with your finger to give it time to expand. Repeat these steps to insert the earplug into your other ear. This is what it looks like when an earplug is inserted incorrectly. This is what it looks like when an earplug is inserted correctly. If you've taken the steps to properly insert your earplug, but it doesn't fit correctly, you may need to try another size to make sure that your hearing is protected. Every ear canal is unique, and the sizes and shapes can vary widely. Lastly, make sure you protect your ear canal from ear infections. Most foam earplugs are disposable because particles and bacteria can easily stick to the surface and then get transferred into your ear, causing irritation and even infection. It's important to either replace foam earplugs frequently or clean them regularly. Remember, hearing protection is effective if it's used correctly. Take care of your hearing protection and it will take care of your hearing.
Hi, Rachel from Ally Safety here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the Ally Safety Toolbox Talk membership at allysafety.com. There, you'll find an entire library of videos that are created to make safety entertaining. Check it out at allysafety.com.